who has topped at 98% in the boards, who wants to ask a question.
Oh, wow, congratulations.
She's 5th ranked in the country.
My God.
Congratulations, ma'am. I just wanted to ask you, for now, in your movies, I guess your title will now be Dr. Vidya Balan Roy Kapoor, right?
I think that will become too long a name. You know, तब तक film खत्म हो जाएगी शायद. So we'll, I guess, for credit purposes, we'll stick to Vidya Balan. And congratulations.
Congratulations, Vidya.
Thank you.
Have you ever been in the top 5 rankers in your academics in school? And is there a mischievous side of it?
Despite that, I'm a doctor today. No, I haven't ever been amongst the top 5 in my class. I was a decent student, if I may say so, above average, but I've never understood this number game and I've never vied for it either, even in school and college, and that continues even now.
So you were a mischievous, you were on the mischievous side?
Oh, Dad.
Were you on the mischievous side? Have you ever been, getting remarks in your calendars or something of that sort?
No, actually, I think I was fairly calm. I was not notorious, or I wasn't really naughty in that sense. But I participated in a lot of activities in school, whatever I could. And yeah, I was a prefect most of the time. I was a class monitor. So I think I was on the other side. I would write everyone's names diligently on the board when they spoke.
And since you mentioned in the very beginning that you have a film coming out which is the most closest to your heart, so why hasn't there been any promotions, promotional activity for the film as yet?
You know, we have been doing interviews, and that's the extent to which we are going to promote the film, because people have reacted overwhelmingly to the trailer and the songs. And I think the film will draw people into the theaters, We're not going to hard sell. This is a film that doesn't need hard selling. It's only heart selling again. Thank you.
Vidya, your initiative of cleanliness in rural areas has inspired one girl from West Bengal. उसने अपनी शादी तोड़ दी क्योंकि उसके होने वाले in-laws के घर पर washroom नहीं था. So what's your reaction on that? Like, it's a good news for you, or?
It's great. It's very gratifying. It's very fulfilling to know that something that I've been part of has had such a strong impact, and it's far-reaching. We're getting news from various parts of the country, similar stories. And it's really extremely fulfilling. I recently heard that a girl from Maharashtra was given a portable toilet as a wedding gift by her parents because there was no toilet in her marital home. So I think, boon boon se banta hai sagar. Hopefully we'll get rid of open defecation by 2019, like our Honorable Prime Minister has been saying.
Hi Vidya, this is Ishan from News Express.
Hi.
Vidya, एक चीज़ जानना चाहते हैं, जैसे आपने बताया कि पर्सनल लाइफ में आपके पेरेंट्स, आपकी अपब्रिंगिंग बहुत मायने रखती है. प्रोफेशनल लाइफ की अगर बात करें तो आप किसको, ये 10 साल आपने कंप्लीट किया, आप किसको क्रेडिट देना चाहेंगी, या कौन था वो गुरु जिसने आपको सबसे ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया इस बॉलीवुड की दुनिया में?
I think first and foremost Pradeep Sarkar, दादा. उन्होंने मुझ में विश्वास, उन्होंने मुझ पर विश्वास नहीं किया होता तो मैं आज यहाँ नहीं बैठी होती. प्रदीप सरकार. Yes, please. Yes. Jigar. Thank you. ओह गॉड, अब मैं क्या कहूँ, हर मर्ज की दवा नहीं है मेरे पास. Thank you all very, very much. Thank you.
अरुण, ये अरुण फोन नहीं दिए क्या तेरे को? अरुण आगे ना भाई, फोन पे बहुत गाली दी भाई, मेरे को नहीं मिला वो.
सर ओके, अभी मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोग मीडिया ब्रीफिंग्स के लिए चले जाएं.
Promising, be it the cough syrup, be it the nose cast, and similarly, UB Fair I think is a phenomenal product.
आपसे ना जी, किससे पहले दो लेजेंड्स जगजीत सिंह और ओमपुरी से एसोसिएटेड रहे हैं, आपने एसोसिएट हुए हैं, क्या उसका भी कुछ इम्पैक्ट है, उस बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.